Basements are always fun projects to work on because they're such a mixed use space that we really get to open up our creativity and look at different types of window coverings. We work on a lot of basements that are rec rooms or playrooms for kids, and we have to be really sensitive to throwing balls around, playing with toys, doing things like that. So we do a lot of honeycomb shades, which work really well. They hold their structure when they're hit with a ball, they're extremely durable, and they're cordless so that you don't have that child safety hazard in those spaces. We also do a lot of shutters in those spaces. Shutters are extremely durable. They don't have any cords. They're something that holds up really well over time. And because the louvers are so wide, kids don't really feel like they need to run over and put their hands between them to open them up further. They can see out just fine. So those work really great if you have a basement space that's more of a rec space. We also work on a lot of basements that are kind of adult spaces that have a built-in bar or pool table or kind of a game room area. And so we want to look at some things that kind of look more like a bar, like stained shutters or woven wood grass shades that give it that really cool kind of den type of nuance for that type of look. We do a lot of wood blinds with cloth tapes to kind of give it that speakeasy look in a lot of those different places. So that's a different type of shade that we can do all together. In many basements, people have a lot of different home theaters or places they like to hang out and watch their favorite movie or sporting event. So we look at a lot of home theater style shades that block the light. Honeycomb shades with the light blocking tracks on the edges, especially motorized, work really well in these applications because you have the ability to have a wide open window and utilize the few windows that you might have in your basement when you need the light, or completely lock it down when you want to watch your favorite movie or sporting event so that you don't have the glare on the screen. Yeah, in basements, typically you get those kind of egress windows that are those really high ones that are small windows, and we want to be careful of those because anything that stacks up in that window is going to take up valuable window space. Typically, those windows are only about 16 inches long, so we have to be really sensitive to how flat a shade can get when you pull it up. Honeycomb shades work great for this. They stack up to only a few inches and don't take up much glass space at all, and again, are offered in cordless or motorized so that you don't have any cords that hang down. Oftentimes when you pull a shade up, the cord can hang down further than the shade hangs itself. So when that cord is longer than the shade, it kind of hangs out of that window and can look tacky if not done properly. So we always recommend more of a cordless or motorized style in those situations. I would be very careful of window coverings like shutters in those windows or something that takes up a lot of space because you already have a very small amount of light coming in. And any window covering you mount in that space is going to take up more space, which is going to end up reducing the amount of light that comes in that window.